Hello, I'm Keith Jolly, and today I'm going to show you how you can upload your own genomes privately to a database for ad hoc analysis using ribosomal MLST. So once you have registered for the rMLST genome database, your account will automatically have access to a scratch database which is used for temporary data and ad hoc analysis. By default, you will be able to upload up to 200 bacterial genomes for private analysis, and you'll have full control of these and nobody else will be able to see them. So in order to access this, from the Ribosomal MLST homepage, there's a link at the bottom where you can upload your own genome data privately. So if you click that, it will then take you to a page with a little bit of information, and at the bottom is a big button that says Enter the Scratch database. So if we click that, it will take you into this Scratch database, and in order to upload your data, there's a button on the right hand side called Private Data. If you click that, it will then take you to a page which explains your quota limits. So here it's saying I've got a quota of 200, and then there's a link here in order to upload your private records. So click that, and then you come to this upload page. One of the things on here is a link to a template file, an Excel file, which enables you to fill in information about your isolate. Okay, so and then what you need to do is copy everything from the spreadsheet into this web form here. So I've filled one out, and the only field that's actually required in this database is the isolate name. So this is just so that you are able to differentiate your isolates once you have uploaded them. So copy and paste them into this web form, click Submit, and then import data. Okay, so those records are now in the database, but they're not yet associated with any genome assembly files. So in order to do that, we need to tell the database which file name is associated with which isolate record, and then to upload those file names into the system. So if we click the DNA icon which says Upload Contigs, the first stage is telling the system the file name to go with each isolate record, and you can use any field within the database as the identifier. So the easiest one in this case is the isolate name, which has to be unique within your data set. So we click isolate as the identifying file field name, and then two columns which again we can prepare in a spreadsheet and copy and paste into this area here. So here we're saying that sample 1 has an assembly file name which is called sample1.fas. Okay, so we submit that, and you can now drag and drop those assembly files into this area on the web form. So if I just drag those in, so that they get uploaded, and this first stage, the files are just put into a sort of staging area, and the next part is we have to validate those files to make sure that they're sort of valid DNA FASTA files. So click Validate, and now it's read those FASTA files. It said they're all valid. It tells you the number of contigs that are present within the file, and then the total size of the assembly within that set. So then you just need to say the name of the sender, and for most people, this will be filled in automatically, and then you can also say the method that has been used to sequence these, and then click Upload. Upload your validated contigs, and now those genome assemblies are in the database. So that's it. You're now able to use those in analyses.